Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's vlog we are going to cook fried beans with some spaghetti. First of all, here we have our boiled beans. Then here we have our ingredients: some onions, carrots, garlic and tomatoes. So first we are going to start with frying our beans. Then we are going to boil our spaghetti afterwards. So let's get to cooking. So first we are going to start with frying our beans. So I'm going to start with putting some cooking oil. Then I'm going to add in my onions. So our onions is ready. I'm going to add in my garlic. Followed by my carrots. So let's leave our garlic and carrots to cook for a while. Our carrots is ready, so we are going to put our tomatoes. So we have added our tomatoes. So let's give our tomatoes some time to cook. So I think our tomatoes are ready. So we are going to add in our beans. So these are yellow beans. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some stew. Since we are going to eat with spaghetti, we need some stew. Then we add some salt to taste. So let's leave our stew to boil for some time. So I think our stew is ready. Yeah. Okay. So our stew is ready. So let's boil our spaghetti. So we are going to put some water to boil. Then we are going to add in our spaghetti. So the water is ready. It has boiled. We are going to put some cooking oil. With salt to taste. Then we are going to add in our spaghetti. Then we are going to leave our spaghetti to boil for a while. So our spaghetti is ready. So I'm going to remove and drain the excess water. Then I'm going to rinse with cold water. So here I've rinsed with cold water, and then so what you are going to do, you are going to return to this sufuria. So this is So this is our spaghetti. It's ready to be eaten. I'm supposed to put some blue band, but I'm allergic to blue band, so I'm just going to leave it like this. So here is our boiled spaghetti with bean stew. So the food is ready. So this is the end results. Yes. See you on the next vlog. Bye.